You bought a camera and most probably got a kit lens with it. You played with it for a while and immediately start to realize कि कुछ तो missing है. It's not sharp enough, it's not fast enough, build quality better हो सकता था. फिर क्या, एक बेहतर लेंस की खोज शुरू हो जाती है. वेलकम टू द कैमरा यूनिवर्स, दिस इज विंजी और आज हम बात करेंगे Tamron 1770 2.8 लेंस APS-C E माउंट के बारे में और जानेंगे कि क्या ये लेंस उस खोज की एक मंजिल हो सकती है. पिछले कुछ सालों में प्रोफेशनल फुल फ्रेम और APS-C मिररलेस कैमरास के बीच का डिफरेंस गायब सा हो चुका है. पहले प्रोफेशनल आउटकम्स के लिए फुल फ्रेम का होना ज़रूरी था, अब नहीं. बट हमेशा से APS-C मिररलेस कैमरास का एक पेन पॉइंट रहा है, एंड दैट इज द लैक ऑफ लेंस ऑप्शंस. The kind of lens options that we have for the full frame, for example the G Master 2.8 2470, the all-rounder lens that we call it, वो हमें APS-C के लिए कभी नहीं मिला. Last year Sony ने 1655 2.8 लॉन्च किया. This year Tamron launched the 1770 2.8. It will be very interesting to find out whether this can be the all-rounder 2.8 lens that we always wanted. The moment you take the lens in hand, it feels well built. The zoom and focus ring is reassuringly firm. Lens body is made of metal. Overall, it feels well balanced. जनरली दो टाइप के कैमरा बायर्स होते हैं जो APS-C कैमरा बाय करते हैं. पहला, जिन्हें कॉम्पैक्ट इंटरचेंजेबल लेंस कैमरा चाहिए होता है, और दूसरा मेरे जैसे जिनका फुल फ्रेम बजट नहीं होता. और ये दो फैक्टर्स लेंस परचेज डिसीजन पे भी अप्लाई होता है. Using this lens for the whole day, there were 2 points that stood out the most for me. First, the compact size for a 2.8 lens. I never felt inconvenient. Carrying it all along throughout the day was very comfortable and I was very happy with it. The compact size, the feel of it is very similar to what I have been using with my 18105 f4. And the second most beautiful underrated part for me was the minimum focusing distance. I was surprised to see how close I could go to the subject. Given the compact size of the lens, it is a perfect match for the Alpha 6000 series cameras. To download the raw files of these images, head on to the camerauniverse.com mentioned in the description. The RXT stepping motor unit performed well and is compatible with Sony features including fast hybrid autofocus. And as you see here, it only lost me when my face was completely in dark, but immediately caught back once I was in light, even low light. Autofocus is at par with the expected native E-mount performance. So ये बात तो क्लियर है कि आपके अगले APS-C E-mount zoom लेंस की खोज में Tamron 1770 2.8 डेफिनेटली एक क्लियर चॉइस है. इस लेंस का ऑल-राउंड f2.8 परफॉर्मेंस थ्रूआउट द वर्सेटाइल जूम रेंज ऑफ 17 to 70 mm, impressive minimum focusing distance, compact size, complementing the A6000 series or perfect price point makes it the lens to have. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. hit the bell icon to be notified, subscribe for more such content, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.